Jericho was built on top of previous cities. You can see the different layers of the history of Jericho. The walls was made of mud brick and they were too high and not wide enough on the base. The embankment was just too steep. This is an engineering model that I'll use to show you what happened. This is what the Israelis saw when they approached the walls of Jericho. There's a person there at the bottom for scale, and as you come closer you can see that that wall is very high. And then you had to climb up the wall and then have to fight off whoever's on top. So God said they must walk around the city every day. And so the people inside the city got on top of the wall because they wanted to see what happens. And every time they walk around, more people get on top of the wall. But the wall wasn't designed to take this weight. 100 years, everybody didn't get on top of the wall, maybe one or two. And now all of a sudden, on this seventh day, they walk around 6 times, and then they started blowing the trumpets. So whoever wasn't on top of the wall said, no, get on top, they're going to fight now, it's time. And the weight just keep on increasing until the wall couldn't handle the weight anymore. And then when the weight was enough, this wall started leaning forward because it didn't have a good foundation. Now we just get everybody on top of the wall. Come on guys, bring all your weapons, bring your heavy equipment, bring the stuff. We need to throw this stuff down. And as they come, more and more people get, and then the wall couldn't handle it anymore. And all their fighters were already dead because they fell and they died. And then what happened to the Jews? They just started walking up, straight up to the ramp, straight into the city, and they conquered the city. And they burned everything, but they took nothing. And when you look at the archaeology, this is exactly what they found. This is what they uncovered. And they also found that everything inside the city was burned and they took nothing. Where normally when you conquer a city, the first thing you take is food to feed your troops, but God was feeding them. They didn't need the food. So everything shows this is exactly what happened with the walls of Jericho.